In this YouTube short, we are going to try and understand what is the ping command or ping utility, which is commonly found on all operating systems. Now, we have the OSI model with the application layer being the highest layer in the OSI model. So the ping utility in its code actually ultimately is a application layer utility. It makes use of raw sockets internally in its code, which in turn make use of the ICMP protocol, which is basically a network layer protocol in the OSI model. So the concept is pretty simple. We have an ICMP echo request which is sent out from your system, which is, we call it the source, and to reach the target ultimately. Now whether it actually reaches the target, that itself is unknown, but if it does reach the target, your request packet, then in theory a response is expected, an ICMP echo response. Okay, so the ping utility is used for basic connectivity testing. That is to see if the target which you mention in the ping command syntax is up and running or not. And of course, the output of the ping command shows a lot of statistics, but the most important of which is the what is called the round trip time, which is the time taken for the request to reach the target and then the response to come back to you. Apart from, there's plenty of other statistics which are shown in the output. Now, black hat hackers or illegal hackers or threat actors can abuse the ping utility to cause a denial of service attack, and that's actually called a ping flood. So in response to this, typically what happens is, administrators in big organizations typically will completely block the ping requests on their routers. So preventing any kind of response actually. Okay, so the final point here, which is in this network diagram that you see, the source system is assumed to be the one on the extreme left, and the intermediate routers, then we have them here, and then your target on the right. So if the ICMP request goes on that route to reach the target, the response may take a completely different route. And if you have two subsequent ping requests, let us say the first request takes a certain route and then the response arrives on a different route, the next ping request may take an entirely different route than the previous time, and the response may arrive on a completely different route once again.